If the thought of being involved in an automobile accident or coming out of a friend's house to find your car has been stolen from the street outside is enough to have you running for car cover, then count yourself lucky that you have been prompted to acquire vehicle insurance before something bad actually does happen. It can be extremely hazardous to drive around the streets of today, hence it is absolutely essential to possess some form of car insurance. That being said, it can be somewhat of an undertaking to find suitable coverage at a reasonable price. Hunting for the right car cover can be like looking for a needle in a haystack, as there are so many different policies on the market nowadays. It is especially tough if you are insuring your automobile for the first time and are not familiar with the various levels of protection you can get. Unfamiliar jargon of any sort can be confusing at the best of times, and when you combine this with the need to fit within a budget like most of us do these days, acquiring vehicle coverage can be quite a stressful process. Hence, let us get to the point of enumerating some of the particulars relating to car cover without further ado. At the very least, your vehicle should be insured for what is typically referred to as third-party cover, which is the most basic of all motor vehicle insurance policies. A third-party policy will only cover you for claims against you for damage to another person's vehicle in the event that you are the cause of the automobile accident. Then there is the so-called third-party fire and theft policy, which covers a vehicle for precisely those three things. Comprehensive car cover, on the other hand, covers you for pretty much everything that could potentially transpire with regards to your vehicle. Therefore, it is advisable to get the most comprehensive form of car cover you can afford to minimize the financial impact on you in the event of your needing to submit a claim. Bear in mind that cars that are more than approximately 4 years old could be considered old, and that insurance on an older vehicle will differ somewhat from that of a new car. For instance, you may want to insure an older car for market value as opposed to retail value, which could effectively lower your monthly premiums. However, if you own a new vehicle, then you may want to insure it for retail value so that you can potentially get back what you paid for it should it be written off. You may also decide to take out cover on extras like modifications you have had made to your vehicle. Car radios, tow bars, tinted windows and